Okay, I am revisiting the ratcheting relay system for this set because it's still not working smoothly or consistently smoothly. So what I'm going to try to do once again is to remove these set screws from this switch mechanism. I think if I take these two screws off of here and here, I can flip this coil system up and hang it up here for a bit. That'll allow me to hopefully to get better access to these set screws and try again to get them loose and to relieve some of the tension on this. So that's the plan. I'll come back. I'm going to have to remove this thing out of its little cradle again so I can get these screws out and put it back in its cradle and get access to that switch. And then we'll see what happens. Okay, I got the coils hung up out of the way, which gave me access to this, and I managed to get these set screws out with a small pair of vice grips. I got them on there. I managed to loosen them up enough so I can get this wiper blade off, and there is quite a bit of play there as far as tension goes. So this comes off. I'm going to try to, since I've got this off, I'm going to get these contacts nice and shiny and clean. And I've sprayed some more oil and WD-40 in here. And hopefully I'll be able to adjust the tension a little bit more so that this will give me good contact with the contacts, but not bind up the relay system. I think I've got a little bit of play here. Hopefully that will do it. I'll come back after I get things cleaned up and reassembled, and I'll try that remote control again and see if it stays this way. Okay, hopefully you can see this shaft moving. I'm going to put it through its paces. Moving to the extreme position. Now I'm going to do the 4 pulses. 1, 2, 3, and this should spring back real strong, which it does. So it all seems to work okay from this end without those wipers on. So I'll come back when those wipers are back on, and we'll see what happens. Okay, right now I'm taking a little piece of 600 grit sandpaper, wet dry sandpaper, and spray a little contact cleaner. And I'm buffing out all the contacts, lightly buffing these contacts, get them nice and shiny. You can see the difference. I've done this section, I haven't done these yet, so there's a big difference there. So we'll get these nice and clean, get the best contact we can before we put everything back together again. That's where I'm at right now. I'll be right back. Okay, I got it back on. I'm going to manipulate this manually. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, let's hope it stays like that.